Hello friends, I am Shankar Vishnu. Today I am going to give a introductory lecture on collaborative recommendation system using Python. First of all, the question is what is recommendation system? This is a system which provides the best result among the all data. This is based on previous rating and preference data. Just we can say that this is also a predictive system in which we predict what the user will be like. For example, today's many commercial and movie entertainment websites shows that uh, purchase similar type of project or you can view this type of movie. This type of all the things is done with the help of recommendation system. And now, what is collaborative recommendation system? Collaborative recommendation system is just a recommendation system in which the data of user is more complex and the choice of user depend on many things. User like their product or give review on various topic, and then we collect all the data of that user and compare with another user, and then we predict what the actual user what the actual user want. Now I am going to show you a program of collaborative recommendation system. This is program, friends, in which we are using this CSV format of hookah flavor. Just see, this is the data whatever we are going to use further. This is not this is another one. I think this one is just you open this one. Now this is also to less amount of data. I think this one, yes, this one is. Here is 45 hookah flavor is given, in which user give the rating pineapple for trifecta brand and pineapple flavor. User provide the rank here: dislike, strong, more than average, longer than average, and budge. On the basis of this data, we collect that what the user is similar with this one or not, and after that similarity, we find what the next user will be, what the next user want. In this program, we firstly gather all type of library of Python and then collect the data for this one, that if my choice is Nelka brand strawberry flavor and my rating on this flavor and brand is this one, then what should be the recommended result and what should be the hookah flavor I want and I will like. For this, we are using this formula to find out. This is the my choice, user choice, for why we are going to predict, and y is the another all the data what that is stored on the database. For each user, for each y, we compare with each x. Single x with all y. Firstly, we take this one and one data of y, and we compare the result and find out r, and then next x value and another y value, and then compare with r value, and after all getting all the r value, we compare what is the maximum value of r, and for this we multiply with another data, another database data, like this one data. This, suppose that my choice is this one, and then for these things we will calculate all the result for this one. for first row this one, then another y value this one, another y value this one, like so. And after all running this program, we will find the exact value that we should be recommend to the user, or who like this type of data, who like Melka strawberry and provide rank this one, then he should also try this data. We will run this program and we will get the output. This is the data we are running using command prompt. Control C. Now run the program. Sorry, this is not a value. I write oppositely. Now you can see that this is the exact output, that we should try this type, this brand, that is brand Tangiers and flavor Can Mint. You can also see this one in better format in JSON type. Copy this data and open in JSON format. Look at them, this is my recommended choice data. Thank you.